everyone. Today we're going to make glitter safety eyes. So I'll go over the materials that we need. First, you need blank safety eyes. I'm using 35 millimeters for today. You need your glitters. So I have like 2 different color glitters I'll be using. Some UV resin for one part of the process. Some paints that you're gonna use to paint like the back of the safety eyes after you put the glitter on. And some Mod Podge to go over the acrylic paint. And of course, like a UV light for the step after you put on the UV resin on, like, with the glitter. So that's all we'll need for the materials, and let's get to it. Okay, so I took out the safety eyes from the UV lamp. Now what I'm going to do is do a thin layer of white paint. Once that dry, follow it up by the black paint, and I will be topping it off with the Mod Podge to seal it. So I'm going to work on that, and I will show you the final product. Okay, so we're back. I let the Mod Podge dry a little bit so I could show you the final product. Well, what do you guys think? Do you like it? I love how the colors turned out. I think it's pretty cool. For the Mod Podge, I would wait at least a day before I put it like in plushies, like before I use it. And if you would like to skip the step of the Mod Podge, go and substitute it with like the UV resin again to seal the back of the layers of paint. Like that way it'll take like less curing time than the Mod Podge. But yeah, this is the final product. Like you could make any colors that you want for the glitter eye and use any glitters that you have, and it'll turn out adorable. I think it'll look really nice in like a unique way or a fun way to like customize the plushies. That was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video or my content in general, please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below about like what other tutorials, crafts, or even food recipes that I'd like to see on my channel next. And I hope you have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!